You guys, get ready to learn how to make the best at-home iced coffee that you've ever tried in your entire life. Ain't that right, babe?
He's not joking. This really is the best at-home iced coffee. He makes it for me every morning. It's delicious. So easy. I mean, I've never done it, but I imagine it's so easy to do. So we're going to teach you how. And when I mean we, I mean he.
That's right. You only need a few things. I'm going to walk you through step by step so that you can do this at home. And then you can tell us how you like it, or maybe don't like it, or how we can improve it. So without further ado, let's get going.
And don't tell us if you don't like it. If you don't like it,
Yeah, keep that to yourself. Let's get started. All right, guys, time to get started. I'm going to show you what you need to do all this, to create the perfect at-home iced coffee. All right, first, an espresso machine. This is like the go-to. If you don't have an espresso machine and you happen to have an espresso also or something similar, definitely use those things. If you use drip coffee, it's not going to turn out good. Don't even bother wasting your time on this. But if you do have an espresso machine, that's the first thing you're going to need.
Who got you that espresso machine?
I think Santa.
Girlfriend of the year!
Santa! All right, next is Tiffany's. This is really the only thing that she
Mother's
uses
milk.
in this house, and that is a cocktail shaker, so make sure you got one of those. You're going to need some ice, a couple of mugs, of course, to put your coffee in, and then we like to garnish with a little bit of ground sugar.
Ground sugar?
Oh, what is that, ground cinnamon?
Girlfriend.
Hell, you know what? I've got sugar on the brain. I hardly eat any, and it just like sounds so damn good. That's what I want right now. Ground cinnamon.
There you
Organic, of course.
There you
All right, so let me show you what we're going to be doing here. First things first, I'm going to be pulling double shots, and I'm going to be using 2 doubles, so essentially 4 shots for each drink. Tamp that down. The reason we're using 4 shots is because once you start diluting this with a little bit of ice or water, then it is going to make it a little bit weaker. So to get a nice strong iced coffee with tons of aroma and that nice bold flavor, then you want some extra shots. And just let it go. All right, we got the first one done. Look at that head, beautiful. Okay, first shot is in. Time for another one. All right, there you have it. Beautiful. We got our espresso ready. Now let me show you how we do this. First, open up that cocktail shaker. And you're going to put some ice in here, about 3/4 of the way full. Next, coffee goes in. Actually, the espresso goes in. Okay, good to go there. Now, it's as simple as putting that lid on nice and tight, and we're going to shake this until the ice is completely dissolved. Might take you a minute or so, but it's a good arm workout. What? I feel like I should be in Vegas working on the scene. Excuse me, miss, what would you like? All right, so you can hear the ice is barely there anymore. That's perfect. That's exactly what you want. Shake it up so that ice goes away. Because you want it to be a little bit frothy. All right, we're looking good. We're ready. I like to do it without the ice in first. Take that lid off and strain it on in. You're going to give it a little bit of a shake. Then I like to take the top off and put a little bit more in. That will convert to iced coffee. All right.
Beautiful.
All right, so now that we got the coffee in, look at that head. That is beautiful, that line of separation. So next we're going to go ahead and add the rest of this ice in here. I just add about, 8 or 10 cubes or so, just enough to get it so it's a little bit more iced. All right, the final step, like we said, a little garnish with not sugar, but ground cinnamon. Just brush the top just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way on this. You don't need a lot.
Perfect.
All right. Now from here, you can add some sugar if that's what you're into. I love some coconut milk. Even steamed coconut milk is really nice. Now there's a number of different ways that you can dress this up, but no way is the wrong way. Just do what's good for you. And there you have it. The best at-home iced coffee that you will ever try, I promise you. You gotta give this a try. You've gotta drop a comment below, and you need to tell us exactly how yours turned out. Even if it didn't turn out good, let me know what you did that made it better. But we wanna hear from you.
Cheers.
And there you have it. I told you, the best iced coffee. Look at how beautiful that is. The nice frothy head on it. Who doesn't love some frothy head?
Go ahead and add whatever you like. Make it your own. You can do, we like almond coconut milk lately, so, yeah. But today, we're just keeping it simple. Nice and black, a little bit of cinnamon on top. Do it your way. Drop a comment. Let us know if you try to make this at home. Tell us how it turned out. Even if it's not great, or even if it's better, give us some tips. We're always looking to improve it. Cheers. Cheers, baby. This is amazing! You know I love this stuff. Enjoy.